Watson and Judy Paddock, co-chairs of ISTE's Digital Citizenship Professional Learning Network, advocate that digital citizenship is the way you need to teach all the time. Digital citizenship is not just a lesson or a presentation at the beginning of the year. Instead, the ISTE-PLN advocates that digital citizenship is a responsibility of every teacher, every lesson, every day, as there are indeed aspects of digital citizenship that teachers, students, and others must consider every day. Review the 3 objectives for this module. As you progress through this module, you will collect evidence and create a product that explains your role as an Essex and Fairfax County Public Schools, and how you do or can model and promote digital citizenship every day. You will describe how coaches help their colleagues understand the difference between equal and equitable access, and that this goes beyond simply having access to a device. You need to consider how diverse students and adults in your school are being prepared for safe and secure participation in digital environments, and how they can engage with people of diverse cultural backgrounds and perspectives. You should decide what kind of product best relates to your role and how you model being a digital citizen every day. You may choose to craft a position paper, or share entries from a reflective journal, or document your practice with images or video. Or you may combine multiple elements, or create several products. The only requirement is that your ultimate product be digital and that you share it.